So final word of advice is take practical steps to avoid the bubble trap. So enterprises should adopt a barbell strategy, keeping strategic processes human-driven while using AI exclusively for repetitive tasks with clear efficiency gains. And this goes to what we talked about earlier in the video. Enterprises are not picking the right use cases for this. In other words, they're picking the strategic tasks that are done by humans these days is the ability to kind of replace very expensive humans to make their strategic decisions around supply chain integration, things like that. That's not where AI shines, but the AI shines with the ability to automate repetitive tasks that are typically busy work that many humans are working on right now. And they're pushing those kind of problems further down the priority list. And for what reason, I don't know. And so they end up automating things they shouldn't be automating and not automating things they should not be automating. And ultimately, this is something that's going to bite them in the butt. So you have to evaluate the AI solutions against concrete business outcomes to ensure investments are aligned with measurable profitability. And that's kind of key to all this. It summarizes up. You have to look for the business value that's going to occur with how you're going to apply this particular technology. Enterprises are just ignoring that. They're following the hype. They're doing the Me Too thing. They're going with the crowd. But I can understand why they're doing that. They did the same thing with cloud computing and service-oriented architecture and all the other trends that we dealt with in the past. But that's going to put them in a place of vulnerability. In many cases, the investments that they're making now are not going to bring back the value. That's going to define the bubble, and we're going to go through a correction.